So here we are using Prezi to represent my subject of dealing with different emotions for children with autism spectrum disorder. And as we move through the presentation, we start with the overview, and within the overview we have different topics that are labeled over here. I'll just go into the first one to show this, and then we go into the different subject areas. So each subject area is labeled with an A, B, and C. The A section are times when a student might feel that emotions. The B section gives what you behaviors, and then the last feelings. And that goes through in each different section here. We have the A, B, incorporated these little add here that weren't there before. That's a tool that I used within Prezi. Also used the wheel here to create so in the presentation, each of these areas represent all the different I have, and they're all specified to. It also shows them how certain emotions have physical actions as well as. So overall, a certain flow for the presentation.